Good evening, everyone. Today, let us take a moment to reflect on the timeless truth that binds us all together. God is one. This profound belief transcends differences, uniting humanity under the umbrella of faith, love, and purpose. We live in a world of diversity, and yet, when we look closer, we realize that the core of our existence revolves around a singular truth. There is one Creator. This oneness teaches us that we are all connected, that our differences are merely colors in the same beautiful tapestry of life. God is one reminds us that no matter where we come from, no matter the language we speak or the culture we practice, the divine source that watches over us remains unchanged. It is the beacon of hope, the giver of life, and the ultimate guide to truth. Yeah. But what does this truth mean for us in our daily lives? Let me share 4 key insights. As we walk away today, let us remember this simple yet profound truth. God is one. And in recognizing this, we find unity, strength, purpose, and hope. Let this belief inspire us to be better, to love more deeply, and to live more meaningfully. This belief sets the tone for our family's time as we make plans for the future and the goals of our family and students together. As we walk away today, let us remember this simple truth. God is one. And in recognizing this, we find unity, strength, purpose, and hope. Let this belief inspire us to be better, to love more deeply, and to live well. When we embrace the idea that God is one, we begin to understand the divine message of unity, a message that transcends differences and calls us to live as one human family. The belief in one God dismantles the barriers we often create out of fear or ignorance. Let's explore this idea further. Endlessly searching for the truth, we often find ourselves left with little to no room for error. A universal creator, the concept of a single God signifies that all of creation emanates from the same source. Whether we are from the East or West, whether we speak different languages or practice different traditions, our origins are the same. This realization challenges us to reject the labels that separate us and to see the divine reflection in every individual. The greatest partner is the single spirit that separates the ordinary from the extraordinary, and the fundamental is that God created all. Breaking down prejudices. Much of the division in the world arises from a them versus us mentality, based on race, religion, or culture. The belief that there is one God who created all of us invites us to rise above these man-made distinctions. If we share the same creator, then what justification is there for hatred or discrimination? Instead, we are called to foster understanding and acceptance. The tapestry of diversity. Unity does not mean uniformity. On the contrary, it celebrates diversity as a gift from God. Just as a single light can produce many colors when refracted, God's oneness manifests in the variety of cultures, traditions, and expressions of humanity. Rather than being a source of division, our differences can be seen as complementary threads in the beautiful tapestry of life. Rather than being a source of division, our differences can be seen as complementary threads in the beautiful tapestry of life. A practical call to action. Believing in unity requires action. It means being willing to bridge divides, engage in dialogue, and treat every person with dignity. It challenges us to speak out against injustice and to extend kindness to strangers. When we act with the understanding that we are all children of the same God, we contribute to a world where peace and harmony can flourish. An inner transformation. Finally, unity begins within us. Recognizing the oneness of God invites us to align our own hearts and minds with this principle. It compels us to let go of grudges, abandon envy, and replace hatred with love. When we internalize this unity, it radiates outward, influencing how we interact with others and the world. In conclusion, the belief that God is one is not just a theological idea. It is a call to action. It asks us to see beyond our differences, to embrace each other as equals, and to build bridges of compassion and understanding. Unity over division is not just possible, it is our shared destiny as designed by the one Creator who made us all. 2. Faith as a source of strength. Believing in one God provides us with a deep well of strength, offering reassurance and guidance in the face of life's challenges. This faith is not just a comforting thought, it's a transformative force that empowers us to persevere, overcome, and thrive. Let's explore how faith in God as one becomes a source of unshakable strength. The assurance of divine presence. Faith in one God assures us that we are never alone. Life is full of moments when we feel isolated, misunderstood, or burdened by difficulties. In those times, the belief in a higher power, a singular creator who knows us intimately and loves us unconditionally, can be the anchor that keeps us steady. Knowing that God is watching over us, listening to our prayers, and guiding our steps fills us with a sense of purpose and calm. And still more, resilience in adversity. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable in life, but faith helps us see beyond the immediate pain. When we believe that God is one, we trust in His plan, even when the road seems uncertain or the path is difficult. This faith reminds us that no hardship lasts forever, and every struggle comes with an opportunity for growth. Consider how a child trusts their parent to lead them through danger. Similarly, when we place our trust in God, we find the courage to face adversity with hope and determination. Faith empowers us to say, I may not understand why this is happening, but I trust that God has a purpose for me. A source of inner peace. Faith brings with it a sense of inner peace. When we trust in one God, we let go of the need to control everything around us. We realize that there is a greater power at work, guiding the universe with wisdom far beyond our understanding. This surrender doesn't make us passive. Rather, it liberates us from anxiety and fear, allowing us to focus on what we can control while leaving the rest in God's hands. Guidance through life's choices. Faith in God is like a compass that points us toward the right direction. Life is full of choices, and sometimes it's hard to know what path to take. But when we seek guidance from the one Creator, we gain clarity. Prayer, meditation, and reflection help us align our decisions with God's will, giving us confidence that we are on the right path, even when it requires patience and persistence. A reminder of our worth. Faith reminds us that we are valuable, no matter what the world may say. The belief in one God assures us that we are part of His creation, designed with care and purpose. This realization strengthens us to overcome self-doubt and reject negativity, enabling us to rise above any limitations imposed by others or by ourselves. In summary, faith in one God is a profound source of strength that sustains us through life's trials and uncertainties. It reassures us that we are never alone, equips us with resilience, fills us with peace, and lights our path with divine guidance. When we lean on this faith, we unlock an inner power that transforms challenges into opportunities and despair into hope. 3. Purpose and responsibility. This is paramount. My favorite word. This is the first law of success. Believing in one God gives life a profound sense of purpose. It reminds us that our existence is not accidental, but intentional, crafted by a Creator who has a plan for each of us. This understanding calls us to rise above aimlessness and live with meaning, aligning our actions with the divine purpose that underpins our being. And although the blessings of our jobs may come with opportunity, those blessings without purpose that underpins our being. When we accept that God is the creator of all, we begin to see the world and its inhabitants as sacred. This belief places a responsibility on us to honor his creation. It means caring for the earth, nurturing relationships, and respecting the dignity of every person. Living with this responsibility fosters a spirit of stewardship, acknowledging that we are caretakers of the blessings we've been given. Instead of letting our egos become the center of our responsibilities, let's take a look to see how we can help others and, at the same time, experience greater and larger sense of self-worth. Moreover, the oneness of God compels us to strive for integrity. If there is one ultimate source of truth, we are called to align our lives with that truth, rejecting dishonesty, greed, and selfishness. It encourages us to live with accountability, knowing that our actions have consequences, not only in this life, but also in the eyes of our Creator. This faith challenges us to look beyond our individual desires and contribute to the greater good. It inspires us to help others, uplift those in need, and work toward a world that reflects divine values like compassion, justice, and harmony. By living with this sense of purpose and responsibility, we not only fulfill our spiritual duty, but also leave a lasting impact on the world. Faithfulness to you. It's the reason for all this suffering. It's the reason for the lasting impact on the world. 4. Hope for a better world. Faith in one God is a beacon of hope, reminding us that no matter how turbulent life may seem, there is a divine order guiding the universe. This belief instills confidence that hardships are temporary and that better days lie ahead. It encourages us to view challenges as part of a greater plan, designed not to break us, but to shape us into stronger, wiser individuals. The oneness of God signifies the interconnectedness of humanity, fostering a vision of a world where peace and unity are possible. It motivates us to work toward this vision, believing that change begins with small acts of kindness, understanding, and cooperation. When we hold on to this hope, we become agents of positive transformation, carrying light into the darkest corners. This hope also teaches patience. Knowing that God's timing is perfect allows us to trust the process, even when results seem delayed. It reminds us to persevere, to continue striving for what is right, and to have faith that goodness will ultimately prevail. In a world filled with uncertainty, believing in one God offers a foundation of stability and optimism. It assures us that we are not powerless, that our efforts matter, and that a brighter future is within reach if we align ourselves with the principles of love, justice, and faith.